Hello everyone. In this video, sociology subject, chapter the family. This is the third chapter. Here we are going to discuss about nuclear family. This is one type of family. In that nuclear family, what happens? How many members is there? In this the nuclear family definition. Here the term nuclear family, the nuclear family means here only the wife and husband and their children. Wife and husband and their children, or mother and father and their children. These members only living together, and these members are living under the single roof or single house. Here there is no many numbers of people. Here no two or more generations. Here only limited people is living together. Here this is regarding nuclear family. Simple word, parents and children. Parents and children living together, that we are called as the nuclear family. In that family they are eating together, sleeping together, living together, problem solving together. All are by done only limited people. This is regarding nuclear family. Next one is the in these two generations relationship. In this the two generation relationship, parents and children. Here only two generations. First generation is the parents, means eligible male and female marry each other. First generation, that is the parents. One opposite genders, means one male, one female persons are marrying together. Living together with the bonding relationship of the marriage, and they are able to produce, they are having children. They are maintain a relationship between the two generations. First one is the parents, second one is the children. In between two generations they are having the one stable relationship. They are living together. Next they are having the more isolation, means they are having more freedom from the extended family. Extended family means a group of people or two or more generations of people living together, but they are eating separately, like that we are discussed in previous videos. Here in the nuclear family they are having the so much of freedom, so much of isolation. In this in between two generations they are having the one type of stable relationship or one type of bonding relationship in between the parents and children. That we are called as the nuclear family. In this we are going to discuss about characteristics. When we are called as the family is belongs to nuclear family, how we are differentiate, which type of characteristics is there. In that joint family there is no freedom, there is no isolation. Their number of people will be increased. Three or more generation living together. There is no privacy for the parents or children. There no so many strikes is there, struggles is there. But here there is no strikes, there is no struggles, there is no crowdiness. Here they are having lot of freedom. Here in the nuclear family they are having the problem solving techniques. Here so much of privacy is there for the parents and children. In this the characteristics, like first one is the self-sufficient. First characteristic for the nuclear family, that is the self-sufficient. Second one is the isolation. Second character is the isolated. Third one is the financially stable. Financially stable. Okay, fourth one is the supportive. Supportive is a one characteristic for the nuclear family. Okay, next fifth one is the evolving. Okay, these are the characteristics is there for the nuclear family. Okay, in this self-sufficient, what happens means here they are not having any emotions. Okay, negative emotions means in the extended family, group of people living together, okay, there is so much of negative emotions, so many conditions is there joint family. Okay, here there is no conditions, there is no rules and regulations for the nuclear family. Okay, here always positive emotions is there, full happiness is there in the nuclear family. Okay, next one is the isolation. Okay, in this isolation the parents are having the one type of isolation regarding health problems. Okay, is there any health problem means the parents are immediately the child will be taking to the hospital. If any severe small problem is there, okay, the problem or disease or any symptom is there, immediately they are having some tension, some emotions regarding children. Okay, they are providing so much of lot of love to the children. Why? Because limit number of people is there, no? Okay, that's why the parents will providing overprotection to the children. Okay, here the child if having any disease like health problems, the problems will be immediately reduced. Okay, here they are having the financially stable means the two parents. Okay, in the family only two parents is there, mother and father, children. Okay, in the mother and father they are going to do some hard work, they are earning some amount of money, they are economically or financially their budget should be increased. Okay, the expenditure will be less. Why? Because less number of people living together, no? Okay, that's why less expenditure is there, the amount will be there, more amount of money will be saving. Okay, this is the one characteristic regarding nuclear family. Okay, next one is the in this the income will be increased. Why income will be increased means less expenditure is there, less expenses is there, next more income is there. Why? Because the two people, the two parents are going to do some hard work, they are earning some money. Okay, next one is the supportive. Okay, in this nuclear family one characteristic is there, that is the supportive. Here any emotions is there. Okay, in that emotions they are having the some type of supportive nature. Why? Because the mother and father is there, the children's having any negative emotions, in that negative emotions they are providing full support to the children's. Okay, for recovery or for bringing a normal nature or normal health condition, they are providing good support to the negative emotions. Okay, next one is the in this the supportive like the children's or the parents are encouraged to their children for providing quality of health education. Okay, they are giving quality of education, which is the school is benefit or which school is quality education will be providing to the children. Okay, those school will be they are selected, the child will be encouraged for educating in that particular school. Okay, they are supportive for the children as like parents. Okay, next one is the evolving. Okay, in this evolving what happens means here the American nuclear family. Okay, American nuclear family will be started or formed in the 1940s, in the year of 1940s or in the year of 1950s. Okay, American nuclear family will be introduced in the year of 1940s or the 1950s. Why? Because only the mother and father and the children will be one right for living in separate from the joint family. Okay, this is regarding characteristics of the joint family. Okay, in this what happens means, in the joint family there is no privacy, there is no supportiveness, there is no isolation. Okay, in the nuclear family only the mother is there, the father is there. Okay, they are providing a lot of love to the children. If the child having any health problem, okay, as a parent they are giving some type of psychological support to the children. Okay, they are providing that is the KMC, kangaroo mother care for kangaroo mother care to the children by touching or by providing some type of hugs or some type of kissing. Okay, the child will be having some type of supportive, okay, some type of love and affection will be received. Why? Because only small persons is there, small number of people living together. Okay, they are preparing food, they are taking quality of food, okay, which is the increased nutritious food or increased more amount of nutritious food. Okay, which food is improves our immunity. Okay, the type of food will be prepared. Okay, they are having quality of life. Why? Because the budget will be their own hands. Okay, how much amount we are earning, okay, how much amount we are expenditure. Okay, advantages and disadvantages of money they are discussed in between wife and husband. Okay, they are discussed and they are solving their problems. Okay, in this nuclear family, okay, the mother or father is going to do some work and they are improves their income status. Okay, improves their source of income. Okay, how many hours we are doing work, okay, how much amount we are receiving, okay, from the job. They are calculating, they are evaluating. Okay, depending upon the budget they are doing some activities or events. Okay, if there any birthday celebrations or any celebrations is there, special days is there. Okay, they are doing some celebrations depending upon the budget. Okay, how much of amount of budget is there. Okay, depending upon that they are distributing their money regarding, okay, this is the birthday celebrations or this is for basic needs. Okay, basic needs also there, no, food, shelter, nutrition, clothes. Okay, like that the money will be distributing. Okay, this amount will be, for example, 100% of amount is there, in that 70% is or 30% is saving, 70% is for expenditure. Okay, in that 70%, 20% we are using for the birthday celebrations or 10% we are using for shelter or clothes or 50% we are using for the nutrition. Like that they are every month end, okay, they are distributing money. Okay, by that they are having good source of income and they are improves their living status. Okay, these are the benefits or this is the characteristics regarding nuclear family. Okay, next advantages of nuclear family. Okay, in these advantages of nuclear family, what are the advantages is there in the nuclear family? First advantage is the privacy. Okay, in the joint family group of members is there, grandparents, grandmother, grandfather, next auntie, uncle, or some members is there. Okay, 3 or more generations of people is there in the joint family. Okay, when they are separating from the joint family, okay, they are eating good nutritious food. Okay, they are doing some hard work, they are having a lot of privacy. Okay, they are enjoying their life. Okay, when they are separating from the joint family, along with they are having some type of some type of burdens also. Okay, for how to lead our life. Okay, how to improve our income source. Okay, this type of burden is there, but they are enjoying their life when they are when they are maintaining nuclear family. Why? Because they are having a privacy. Okay, in between couples they are having privacy, or in between children they are having privacy. Okay, there is no struggles, there is no strikes, there is no restrictions for doing any work. Okay, this is the main advantage regarding joint family. Okay, next one is the in this advantage, like the couple having a own house. Okay, in that joint family, only single house, group of people living together. Okay, the workload is heavy, work burden is heavy, but here when they are separating from the joint family, there is no workload, there is no struggles, they are having own house, they are having the full privacy. Okay, next advantage, like financial stability. Financial stability. How the financial stability means, here the parents or the couples will be discussing regarding advantages of family, disadvantages of family. Okay, what is the advantage, what is the disadvantage of family? They are communicating face to face. Okay, wife and husband, they are discussed. Okay, what are the disadvantage, what are the advantage regarding family. Okay, how we are living. Okay, what is our status, what is our problems, what is our needs. Okay, how we are fulfilling our basic needs. Like that, so many questions putting in between the couples. They are one member will be discussed, another member will give some answers. Okay, like that they are living together, they are having the financial stability. If there any loss in the financially, okay, how to improve our financial stability. Okay, what is the better source for income, or what is the best source for improving our income, that will be discussed, and they are starting for improving their income. Okay, this is also one advantage regarding nuclear family. Okay, next one is the freedom. Okay, freedom is the most advantage from the joint nuclear family. Why? Because there is no freedom in the joint family. Okay, only limited number of people, limited people will have some freedom. But when the nuclear family is there, more freedom is there for the people who are living in the nuclear family. Okay, in this the nuclear family, what is good, what is bad. Okay, what is good, what is bad, they are discussed. Okay, nowadays the children also having a better power regarding which is good, which is bad. Okay, what is benefit, what is disadvantage regarding family. The type of powers having every individual. Okay, next in this the generation will be, okay, nowadays the generation will be too fast. Okay, they are having so much of intellectual powers for improving their health, or for improving their economical status, or for improving their relationship. They are well communicating, they are well participating